What's up guys? So a few months ago I built this app completely with AI, barely writing a single line of code myself. And the craziest part, I built the whole thing in about 2 weeks. And it's already kind of blowing up. Over 3,000 people have downloaded it, hundreds are paying every single month, and it's making me money every single day. So in this video I'm going to show you the exact system I used, how I came up with the idea, how AI built all of it, how I monetized it, and how I actually got the users. Let's get into it. So first, what did I actually build? It's called Build Buddy, and it's an AI assistant that lives right on top of your screen while you make a game. You get stuck in Unreal Engine, and instead of tabbing out to Google or digging through a 2-hour tutorial, you just ask Build Buddy. It sees your screen, it understands what you're doing, and it gives you the exact steps. And this isn't some fake demo. Look at my open router. In the first couple of weeks, it already had over 15,000 requests and 330 million tokens. That's real people hitting the app every single hour. And here's the part I'm now honestly most proud of. 3,000 downloads, 200 of them paying. That is over a 6% conversion rate for a SaaS. That is genuinely really good. Most apps would kill for that. And it's still growing every single week. And honestly, the wildest part is this. A year ago, building something like this would have taken a whole team of engineers and months of work. Now, it's one person, a couple of weeks, and an AI that writes the code for you. That is the shift that almost nobody is ready for. So how did I build something people actually use and pay for in 2 weeks with AI and basically no coding? Let me break down the exact system step by step. Step 1, the idea. And this is where most people mess up. Your app has to solve a real problem. That's the whole reason someone actually pays you. For me, it was easy. Game developers are constantly stuck, constantly Googling, and losing hours in YouTube tutorials. But here's the smart part. I didn't invent this idea from scratch. There's this app called Claude that blew up. An AI that floats on your screen during interviews and feeds you the answers. And I love that concept. The assistant that's always right there. So I took it and applied it to my niche. Same idea, completely different problem. So that's the cheat code. Don't invent something brand new. Find what's already working and apply it to a niche and a problem that you actually understand. Step 2, building it. And no, you do not need to know how to code. I built the whole thing with Claude, which is $20 a month, and I had a working version in literally 1 hour. But here's the catch. If you just open it up and type, build me an app that does this, you are gonna be stuck for days going in circles. The trick that almost nobody talks about is the PRD plus TDD method. The PRD is a product requirements document. It describes exactly what your app is. I explained my idea to ChatGPT and it turned it into a proper PRD. The TDD is the technical design document, the plan for how to build it. And the magic is Claude Code reads your PRD, writes the TDD itself, then follows it step by step. That's why my very first prompt was 99% there. A working app in an hour instead of pulling my hair out for a week. And just to make this super concrete, in my PRD I described the floating notch, the see-through background, exactly how the user asks a question and gets an answer back. Then the TDD figured out all the technical stuff, like which macOS effect to use for that blur. You describe the what, and Claude handles the how. Step 3, making money. Because an app with no monetization is a hobby, not a business. I added payments with Stripe, super easy, Claude Code does it for you. Then the important part, the pricing. I went with 2 tiers. The free tier gives you 10 asks a week. Just enough to get hooked and prove that it actually works for you, but it's limited on purpose. Then the pro tier, $19 a month, unlocks everything. Unlimited apps, full context for every engine. It can even control your editor and write code for you. And notice, it would normally be $50 a month, but it's $19 as a launch price, locked in forever. That urgency makes people subscribe right now instead of later. Step 4, the landing page. Because when someone clicks your link, they have no idea what your app is. The landing page is what sells it. I built mine with Claude Code and a bit of Gemini, which is Honestly amazing at UI design. And what actually converts is this: short videos of the app in action, exactly what features you get, and a roadmap of what's coming next. Because that roadmap is what keeps people subscribed instead of canceling. And then one clear call to action. And step 5, the one everyone ignores, and the single biggest reason apps fail: distribution. You can build the perfect app, add Stripe, make a beautiful landing page, and still get 0 users because nobody knows it exists. Distribution is genuinely half the work. I use a YouTube funnel. I make videos and naturally show the app inside them with the link in the description. And I know what you're thinking: Gorka, you already have a big channel. But you don't need a big audience, you need a micro niche. Instead of chasing a video with 100,000 views, you make a video for the exact people who would use your app, even if it only gets 100 views. Those 100 are your perfect customers. Honestly, this exact video is doing that right now. One last thing, your landing page and pricing are never done. Every week I look at my analytics, where people click, how long they spend on the free versus the pro plan, where they drop off, and I tweak it. And Claude can analyze all of that data and tell you exactly what to fix. So that's the whole system. Find the real problem, steal and apply an idea, build it with Claude and the PRD TDD method. Monetize with tiers, build a landing page that converts, and distribute through a micro niche. And if you want to actually do this yourself, I packaged everything: the exact PRD and TDD templates, my landing page template, the Claude workflows, and the prompt packs, all inside my free community, the AI Apps Club. The link is in the description. So go grab it, build your first app, and come back and tell me what you made. If this helped you out, do me a favor and hit like and subscribe. It genuinely helps the channel a ton. I'll see you in the next one.